guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm excited to share with you a special unboxing, and I can't wait to reveal this with you guys. Now, this gift is a mother's gift to me. Hi to all the mothers there, happy Mother's Day. And it's a gift to me from my husband, and I'm so excited to see it. Now, I did mention before that I wanted to go lean towards like real leather bags, but on an affordable, well, not really affordable because it's still quite expensive. And I have like shops that I was looking out to, like people that have recommended me these shops that are leather and that they're good and that they are the same style as the styles that I love. So let's get into it. I don't know, maybe you guys want to guess what is in this beautiful orange box. So it came in a bigger box, like a packaging box, and then it arrived with this one inside it. So it's placed in a really good box. It's a nice big box here. So maybe if you guys want to comment on what the bag is or what you think the bag is, so comment down below and let's open it. Okay, I'm kind of excited a bit, so oh my gosh. So I was already thinking of, I know what the color would be, just because my hubby already knows the color that I'm targeting first as the bag that I want to transition to, that is leather. And if you guys know me, you probably know what color this is. So it's a pretty dark bag, but so it is, obviously it's a Kelly, but it's a okay, so this is like the mini Kelly. Okay, so this is not the size of a mini Kelly, but it's close to it because this one is an option of, the shop has an option of size 22, which I prefer more than the mini Kelly because the mini Kelly is size 20 if I'm not mistaken. So it's much smaller and much lower in height, and it won't fit as much for me as a functionality kind of bag, and I want something that's still functional for me, especially when I bring a lot of stuff for errands or still stuff, because I am a mom, so sometimes I bring stuff that are a bit more extra. So this is the perfect size of bag, and if you could see up close, oh my gosh. Now this is, in a way, it's like a shiny leather, so it's like the box leather of Hermes, and look at it. It's in Sellier, and oh my gosh, it is so structured, and it has, of course, feet protectors. So I'm not sure, I think I might keep the feet protectors, but seriously guys, seeing this on actual is insane. Like, it is so beautiful. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see up close, I'll try to show it up close, and this is the real color of it, as you can see on the camera, because I tried to like fix the focus of the color, so it's going to really project the actual color. So it is like this beautiful blood red color that I really love, and it's actually close to Rouge H if you actually look in the Hermes colors, and it's actually close to that. And here it is, so let's open it. So there's also a protector for the lock, and then also the sleeves or the straps. So here it is. Oh my gosh, it is so soft guys. The material is beautiful. It really is different from the PU leather that I've gotten so far through the years. And seriously, see, as you can see, it's just really like the brand itself. And there's, okay, there's a bubble balloon. So the box, it just includes this, so like that. I still have this like shop that I see that has like a certificate of the leather, but this one is still fine without the certificate. It's not something really is an issue. And so far, the ones it has bought from this shop is actually the same already. Okay, here's the strap, and then oh, okay, so this comes with the clochette. It has a clochette. Mini Kelly's doesn't have clochettes, so but this one has, and this one has the clochette key. I don't know if there's going to be a key in here. Okay, there is. There's a small key. So here's the key of the clochette, Let's see if it actually works. I don't know. I'm not gonna hang this on my bag because I don't really do. I don't often do it. So we'll just see. Oh, okay, it opens. So it opens, so great. But I'm not gonna probably use the clochette. But honestly, the leather of it is so soft. It's so beautiful. It's so shiny. And I've been loving a red in this kind of shiny leather. This is super stunning. I can't. I really can't. It's so beautiful. Oh, and then there's like this happy face kind of tag. So let's put on the straps. So this is the same. It has the straps, same with the mini Kelly. I need scissors. Okay, so I got some scissors. Let's just be careful. I am literally shaking right now, guys, because it is beautiful. It's a perfect starter for me to have a new leather bag because it's just an amazing color. And honestly, I think I might wear this like every day. I will try not to use it every day just because I still have a baby and she's still very young and still kind of lurks around in every nooks and crannies. So I think I'm not going to be able to bring this all the time when it's just me and her. But aside from that, honestly, wow. Okay, so the leather of this one is so soft as well. So here's the leather. Now, honestly, for me, I think it would be better. Oh, it has. It has a lock. So it has a double lock. That's something that in some of the PU leathers that I've ordered, the strap doesn't have a double lock like this. So this one has, so it's perfect. And the strap of course, dupe of an Hermes Kelly, it doesn't, is adjustable. So that's perfect for me. It's much more convenient. And this is what the lock, what the strap attachment looks like. So it's really nice gold hardware. It's not like too yellowish gold, so it's really nice. And I'm just going to put it here. I'm shaking, seriously, because I don't want to, it's just a new baby and I haven't worn it yet. So, okay, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. So, here is the bag and here's the strap of it. Honestly, this is so beautiful. I mean, come on. Like, I keep talking right now, but that's just perfect. So this bag is a size 22, and then the size 22 across, and then it has a two open pockets, so 1 and 2, the back at the front, and it's also lined the same. I don't know if it's the same material because usually when they copy it but they produce the actual leather, they usually don't have the lining the same as the outside, but this one seems to be the same. So I'm not. Oh, I think it's different. I'm not sure. I think it's different, but the outside is like what's important to me. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get an organizer for this just because it's a small bag already. It's kind of hard to have an organizer here, but we'll see if I'll find something with this sack shape or sack size. So here it is, and it still has the protectors on all of the straps, lock. And there's the bag. Okay, so I'm excited. I'll wait for my styling on how I'm going to style this kind of bag. And for sure, this is going to be like the pop of color on most of my outfits. Especially right now, as you can see, I turned my hair again. I bleached my hair. Well, I actually had someone professionally done the bleaching for now. And they've already toned it down. So it's actually growing already. So it's been a while since I created videos. I know I've been really busy, but it's something that I needed for myself. It's just some things that I'm going through. But I'm excited to start coming back to videos and creating them. So hopefully you guys are staying tuned and I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you guys. Bye!